Hello everyone, my name is Norman Heckington. I was lucky enough to be married to Amber Young for almost 10 wonderful years. I've been asked to quickly explain what this PSP meant to Amber. Before I do, I would like to thank all of you for the time you have so freely given, together with your experience and dedication to this project. So why was this PSP so important to Amber? Her desire for knowledge and understanding started almost at the very outset of her consultant career. One night she was on call and two children came in with burns. One survived, regrettably the other didn't. That was the beginning. Amber wanted to understand what had happened that night and how she could improve burns care in general, but particularly for children. She dedicated the rest of her life to improving burns care. She loved collaborating and was involved in many research projects both in this country and abroad. Looking down the list of the 19 burns questions, it is interesting to note that Amber's research in the past had touched on several of the questions you are discussing today. This project, however, had added importance for Amber. When she applied for her NIHR funding, she was very honest with them. She said that she would not live long enough to see the end of the project. She wanted to make a difference, to leave a legacy of research after her death that would be of benefit to the burns community worldwide. Not only did the NIHR fund the project while she was alive, but have exceptionally continued to do so since. I like to think that they were aware of just how important this work is. Hopefully the work that you are doing today is going to materially change the directions of burns research for years to come. That's why it is so important to Amber and why she worked up until 2 weeks before her death. Mostly she worked from bed in the latter months, but if she thought it was an important meeting, she would sit in a chair in our bedroom and conduct the meeting from there. She absolutely loved what she did. Thank you for giving your time and expertise to this very important work. I know Amber would have been extremely grateful and truly proud of all of you and the wonderful work you have done. Thank you.